So, in this small lecture, we will try to understand the areal differentiation in geography optional. Areal differentiation is the human geography part and also coming under the thoughts of geography. Exactly, human geography रे जिते देखो ये ଗୋଟେ thought geography रे बहुत सारा thought अच्छी like human geography, physical geography. So these are the different thoughts in geography. कले geography को हमें केमिति देखुचे. किसी geographer को लगे कि geography should be studied from the physical perspective. Some geographer also thinks that geography should be studied from the human point of view. Some geographers will think like geography, or they are having thought that geography should be studied from the general perspective. Some geographer also thought like geography should be studied from the particular perspective. So like that, so areal differentiation also talks about the debate. This one also the debate कि what geography should study, whether geography should study the physical geography or the geography, general geography as a whole, or geography should study in a particular. Now, areal differentiation is the meaning देखिबा how an area is differentiated from other region, uniqueness, or we may say that is what chorology. Geography as a chorology, केमिति how geography as a chorology evolved. Geography as ideography, geography as the unity of geography, or geography as the unity of geography. So like this, the geography को हमें केमिति this school के जो हमें areal differentiation को होती ये school केमिति develop होला, who are the contributors. For example, let's say अगर कब ancient Greek रो Strabo को था नहीं जो Hecataeus को था नहीं जो Kant को था नहीं जो then modern time में Richard Harrison who was the propounder of this particular to the word to point करिबा and popularized करिबा. So Richard Harrison को था देखा in his book The Nature of Geography in 1939. A book race the word he used correctly, that is the areal differentiation. He coined this word. जो ये word, this concept was earlier in form of chorology by whom? Strabo. So that was in form of chorology. Then हमें Hettner को था देखे ले. Hettner talked that geography is a unity geography. So geography is a unity geography. That means in areal differentiation रा भी कौन पढ़ो? We study in areal differentiation how different areas, differentiation of the areas, uniqueness of the area, and I would say what the different area of the earth are there differentiated on the basis of uniqueness, on the basis of distinctiveness. So that is studied in the areal differentiation. Now geographer माने कौन थी? Those who are the advocated of areal differentiation, they defend geography. They said that geography is areal differentiation, geography is regional geography, geography is chorography, geography is unity geography. They talk of like geography is complex geography. So they talk about like this. They are against the general geography. So they are the advocate of particular geography, regional geography. That means areal differentiation gives weightage to the regional geography rather than the general geography. So this is the areal differentiation. So in areal differentiation हमें पढ़ो कि how, what are the phases of areal differentiation, ancient time रे whether this concept was ये आगुरु थिला geography रे a thought एक concept thought, whether this is a new thought in geography or that was in ancient time रे थिला. Then ताको कहीं जने revive कले ये concept को के areal differentiation concept को जने revive कले. Then as पुनी तार बड़े down phases to 1960s 70s रे देखो पुनी down phase during the time of quantitative revolution. Again पुनी 1980s रे 1990s रे देखो that is the regional planning little concepts को आसिला. Again that revived हेला पुनी outer popularized हेला regional geography and also the areal differentiation. So areal differentiation यदि तो वाचे तो basically हम कहपा areal differentiation talks about the particular geography. This is not what I would say nomothetic geography. This is ideographic. This is ideographic in particular, geography in particular that will be studied. So ये को counter करो for example the Schaeffer कथा नहीं जो Fred Schaeffer who countered this concept of Hettner, Richard Harrison, Kant, even say Kant say कोई geography which is exceptionalism and Kant is the father of exceptionalism. Like this debate is also there. Schaeffer and Harrison, Schaeffer, Richard Harrison, जो जितना का debate देखा Hettner का concept. So this is all about areal differentiation. So geography optional we have started from the thoughts point of view. I have started the class in ways of those who are ready to take admission. You can visit our institute and also you can also reach out through the YouTube's, Facebook, and also by calling us.